Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
Add up all the numbers from 1 to 50. What the?
Anyone? Anyone?
That's rather tricky. So we'll begin with something a little easier. Let's add up all the numbers from 1 to 10. This will help you to understand how our magic maths method works. We'll begin by putting the numbers in pairs, starting with the 1 and the 10. Have you noticed what each of the pairs adds up to? Yes, that's right. They each add up to 11. We have 5 pairs of 11. 5 times 11 gives us a grand total of 55. Remember that answer. Let's do it again. This time we'll use a method I call consecutive number counting. This method has 3 steps and is as easy as ABC. Begin by counting the number of numbers in your sequence and divide this amount by 2. We have 10 numbers in our sequence. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Next, add the smallest number to the largest number. 1 plus 10 equals 11. Finally, multiply these two numbers together. 5 times 11 equals 55, which is exactly what we got before. But we got there a lot faster this time. Let's go back to our original tricky question.
Hit it!
Add up all the numbers from 1 to 50. There are 50 numbers in our sequence. 50 divided by 2 equals 25. Next, add the smallest number to the largest one. 1 add 50 is 51. Finally, multiply these two numbers together. 25 times 51. Well, that's pretty hard. Certainly quite hard to work out in our heads. I'll start by multiplying 25 by 50, which makes 1,250. Now I've got one more 25. 1,250 plus 25 gives us the answer of 1,275, which is our final answer. Harry Potter isn't the only one who can perform magic. Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.